I always wished that there is some kind of a solution that combined the deep research capabilities of Skywork AI, the beautiful slide creation capability of NotebookLM, and the editability of PowerPoint. It remained a pipe dream for a long time till I recently came across the slides capabilities of Skywork AI. I was pleasantly surprised at the kind of results it could produce, both in terms of the depth of content and also in terms of the look and feel. I wanted to share that with you, so let us jump right in. I'm Ram Gopal from presentationprocess.com. We help you present your ideas better. Here we are at Skywork AI. If you have been following us for a while, you already know that we are big fans of Skywork AI, and we have created a lot of videos around this AI tool. This time we are going to see the kind of capabilities that the slides agent has. The first thing I want to bring to your notice is these two options. The first one is the creative option and the other one is the professional option. For this video, we are going to focus on the creative option. In creative option, Skywork uses the power of Nano Banana 2 to create the slides and the images. Now, once we decide how our slides are going to look and feel, the next step is to decide on the topic of the presentation. I'm going to make a presentation on Mayer's 12 multimedia learning principles. Then I'm going to decide on the number of slides I want for the presentation. So let me click on this option here. And I'm going to choose 11 to 15 pages because this presentation will have 12 principles, and naturally it is a good idea to have between 11 to 15 pages. So that is the choice. The next thing is to decide how we are going to gather the information for the presentation. We have the option of local upload, where you can upload a certain file so that the presentation is based on that information, or we can ask Skywork AI to do the research for us and get the content. I'm going to keep this presentation fairly simple, so I'm not going to give any kind of input from my side. I want Skywork AI to do the research. The next step is to write our prompt. So I'm going to say create a 15 slide presentation on Mayer's 12 multimedia learning principles. I've not really gone for any complicated prompt here. Next, I'm going to give some kind of a description on the look and feel of the slides. Recently, I happened to look at a set of slides that I was quite impressed by in terms of the line quality, the drawing, the hand-drawn style, etc. So I want to reproduce the same kind of a look and feel. Now, instead of writing the prompt myself, I decided to take the help of Claude. So I gave this instruction here. If I want my slides to have a hand-drawn illustration style and yet look nice and readable, what prompt should I include to describe the style? So I'm asking Claude to give me a description of the hand-drawn style, and this is the result I got. It gave the prompt as sketch illustration style, clean hand-drawn lines with slight imperfection like a confident pen sketch, not messy or childlike. Think editorial illustration meets a whiteboard thinking. And the rest, I really like the description. So I'm going to use this prompt. So let me select this, copy. So I'm going to say for style, follow the guidelines here. And then let me include the prompt that I just copied. And I'm going to hit send. Now Skywork does its thing. As you can see here, this is our prompt. And these are the steps it is going to follow. Right now it is thinking. And then it has gone to the generate phase. I've not really asked anything that requires a lot of deep research. It's a fairly simple piece of information. So I hope it doesn't take too much of time to create this. And you can see that it has gone ahead and searched the web for the various sources. You can see the list of sources here. You can always click on any of the sources and it'll take you directly to the website, and you can go through the various pieces of information that is given here. And it is always reassuring because you know where you're taking the information from. So if anyone were to ask you on stage, you would be able to answer with confidence, and the sources are all properly cited. So let me close this, and it is still doing its work, and it is generating the outline for the presentation. And finally, it is building the slide deck. While it is building the slide deck, let me tell you my number one priority while selecting a tool for creating my presentations, and that is the strength of its research capabilities. Skywork AI scans up to 600 plus web pages per task, surpassing all the traditional RAG systems. And this gives me the confidence that whatever that I put on the slide is properly researched. In fact, recently I've created a comprehensive video comparing 3 of the most commonly used AI tools for presentations: Copilot, NotebookLM, and Skywork AI. I will leave a link to that video right now in the iCard and also at the end of this video, so you can click on the link and watch that video to get a fair understanding of how this particular tool Skywork.ai compares with the other AI tools used for presentations. And there we have our complete slide deck ready. Let us see the slides. I'm going to choose the full screen playback. Let me click on these three dots, go to full screen playback, and this is our first slide. You can see the line quality here. It looks as if somebody has drawn these lines. So it gives that hand-drawn look and feel. So it has taken our prompt perfectly and it has translated it into visuals. Let's go to the next slide. Here we get a theoretical foundation, an overall picture of what the cognitive theory of multimedia learning is all about. And you can see the visuals here, dual channel, and you can clearly see the illustration here. Limited capacity, it has used a nice metaphor, and active processing, and you can see that action is shown here, solving the puzzle. Let's go to the next slide. Here we show the first principle, which is multimedia principle. Words only, no. Words plus visuals, yes. Can you see how beautifully it has shown the before and after scenario? How the before scenario is improved by adding this multimedia principle, and the result is so much better. And the next principle is this coherence principle. Instead of adding all kinds of extraneous stuff, keep the visuals clean, and you can see that there is a coherent focus here. So each and every principle is so beautifully illustrated with a before and after comparison. The next one is redundancy principle. You can see that there is an overload because of redundant information. The next one is spatial contiguity, how by placing labels far away you make it difficult for the audience to understand the information, and how by keeping them close and connected it is easy for the audience to understand your information. It is so beautifully illustrated. Every piece of illustration is so spot on, and the look and feel is what I really love. This is the kind of output that you can expect from NotebookLM slides. But the good thing here is we don't really have that pesky NotebookLM watermark which totally spoils the slides, especially when it is about a client presentation. And there is one more thing that makes it far more superior compared to NotebookLM slides, and that is if you want to have any change for a particular slide, you can do that for that slide alone. Let me go down here. I see that there is one change that I would really like to make. It would really be nice to have this synthetic voice to the left and then this human voice going to the right and the arrow adjusted accordingly. So I'm going to give a prompt to make that change only for this slide. Let me click on this. It says regenerate page, and here I have the option for customize rewrite. So I'm going to click on this and say, can you reverse the position of the two images? I want the illustration related to the synthetic voice to the left and the one related to the human voice to the right, and the arrow in the middle needs to be adjusted accordingly, and let me say send. Now Skywork is working on that, and here is the result. Can you see here? Now we have the synthetic voice to the left and the human voice to the right, and the arrow is adjusted accordingly. So beautiful, so precise. Now, if I were to use NotebookLM, I don't really have this option of regenerating a certain page. NotebookLM regenerates the entire slide deck each time I make any small change. Now, if this is not enough to convince you that Skywork.ai gives you more power to edit your presentations, you have the option of downloading this in PowerPoint. Let me go to PPTX option. You can of course download it as PDF, HTML, Google Slides, etc. I'm going to download it as PPTX format. Now you have this option available in NotebookLM as well. But then the problem with NotebookLM is this gets downloaded as images stuck on slides, which means you cannot really edit the information that you see in NotebookLM in PPTX format. Now our download is ready. Let me go here. Let me open the slides and say enable editing. Now look at this. I can go here directly and I can make my changes. So let me say here add or subtract. I can do anything. Let me go to the inside ones. The translation is perfect. There is absolutely no aberration, no changes in the way things looked right inside Skywork AI and also here. Let me go to slideshow so you can see clearly how beautiful the translation has been. Every bit has come out exactly how it was seen in the preview. All the slides are perfect. And even this one, the one that we changed. And this is the presentation. Now, let us say I want to make some changes here. Say maybe implementation and best practices. I want this to be stretched across. I can say this, delete, and then I can do this. If I want to make changes to this, I can make changes here. Let me go to any random slide and I can make changes. So I can see that this one is to be moved a little down and it's perfect. Everything is totally controllable. Now, what this gives me is the flexibility to present the information one at a time. So I can select this and then hold the shift button, select this, and then go to animations and say fade, and everything is going to appear on click. Let me go to slideshow. I first show the image, then I give the conclusion here on a click, and then I talk about the sub points like this. And this is exactly how I would like to make the presentation when I am on stage or on Zoom. So now can you see why I said that Skywork.ai's new slide agent is able to combine the deep research of Skywork.ai, the beautiful look and feel of NotebookLM slides, and the editability of the PowerPoint slides. And the best part is the pricing of Skywork.ai is very competitive. And to make this deal even sweeter, Skywork.ai, who are the sponsors of this video, have agreed to give an additional 20% discount when you purchase through the code that you see in the description box below. So click on the link in the description box below the video, give this product a try it for free first, see if it meets your expectation. If it does, then take advantage of the discount code and get Skywork.ai. I can assure you that you will not regret the decision. I'll see you in the next video.